Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is a pretty good one. There are some Christmas items and then there's a couple of things that are not Christmas items. So I'm going to go ahead and start showing you what I found. So the first thing that I found is this ink pen by Jot. I got this for my daughter because she loves pandas and I think this is so cute. I just love this teal color. But the panda up here is like squishy. I don't know. I love squishies. So anyway, I went ahead and picked this up for her. The next things that I picked up is this. It's a dustpan and brush by Scrub Buddies. And I got this for my craft room because I just think it'd be easier to clean up the mess that I make on my little craft table with a dustpan and a little broom. So I did go ahead and grab that. The next things that I picked up are these foam brushes by Tool Bench. There's 8 in here. You get different sizes. So I needed some more of these, so I went ahead and grabbed another package of those. Let's see here. The next thing that I picked up, you guys, I have not ever seen this brand, I don't think, at Dollar Tree. I could be wrong. It could have already been there and I just didn't notice it, but it's Kitchen Helper Elite Series. And I got this whisk. It's soft grip, BPA free, FDA certified. It's heat resistant. It goes from a negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. So, I mean, that's really hot. So you know it's not going to melt. But I thought it was really nice. It's really sturdy. It's got this silicone handle. It looks like it's got, I don't know, it looks kind of like granite or stone or something, but it isn't. It's like a plastic. But I thought this was really, really nice. It seems really heavy duty. They had several different utensils to choose from and in different colors, but I really liked the gray one. They had spatulas, they had spoons, they had a ladle, a potato masher, but I really needed a whisk, so I went ahead and grabbed that one. Let's see, the next things that I found are these. They're floral foam balls, and you get 6 in a package, and these are sort of the medium-sized ones. I was looking for the bigger ones, but these medium-sized ones is all I could find. This Dollar Tree that I went to, this was the only size that they had. So I did go ahead and just grab 2 of these. I got these because I think these would make really good like snowballs for your Christmas decor. So if you wanted to decorate something Christmassy or even just winter decor, you can use these as snowballs. Or if you're making a wreath and you wanted snowballs in your wreath, you could put these little white styrofoam balls in there. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed 2 packages of those. The next things that I found are these cotton pods. You get 3 in here. I hauled something similar to this in a couple of hauls ago. These are, you only get 3 in here, and I think the other ones you got 5 maybe. But they were, I think they were smaller. And these are a little bit bigger, but they have the same thing with the little wire on the back that you can use to wire them into a wreath or a floral arrangement or just whatever you wanted to do with them. So I did grab 2 packages of those. I was able to find another one of the wired edge ribbon that's in the, like the red velvet. I just love this ribbon. It's really, really good. It's nice and sturdy. The only thing that's bad is that it's only 9 feet. I wished it was a little more, but I was able to find one lonely roll. So hopefully when I go back and I keep looking, I can get some more of this because I use this in a lot of my holiday craft making and things that I make. I use a lot of this red velvet ribbon. So grabbed one of those. The next things that I picked up are these Christmas ornaments. Now they usually have these every year, but I like to use these to put in my wreaths as embellishments. So I went ahead and grabbed these red and white swirly ones. And there are 5 in each of these little tubes. You get 5. And then I picked up the silver and the red. And then the green and the red. The next things that they had are these little skeins of yarn. They had several different colors to choose from. I went ahead and grabbed the, this is like a green, it's like a hunter green color, and then this oatmeal color, and then a black. So this says that it is the medium, so it's a 4. I believe they're all 4, yeah. They're all 4. There's 131 yards on here. I think the brand is just Premier Yarn, Just Yarn, worsted. Now, I, a long time ago, used to be able to crochet, which I can still crochet, but it's been years since I've crocheted. So I'm thinking about trying to start that back up again. I may have to watch some YouTube videos to refresh my memory. And then I was able to teach myself how to knit, but I didn't get very far in that until I got bored with it. So I just think that, I don't know, crocheting to me I think is more fun. I don't know. Do you guys crochet or knit? And if you do, which one do you like better? So let me know down in the comments below. So anyway, grab those. I was able to find another one of the Known for the Holidays tumblers. Oh my goodness. This is so stinking cute, guys. I had to get another one because I'm going to be doing a Christmas giveaway, and I want to put this in the giveaway. So I'm so happy that I was able to find another one. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because I've got some giveaways coming up very soon. So, and if you are new here and you just subscribed, I wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And thank you to all my other subscribers who have been with me from the beginning. So I really appreciate you all. Okay, so I was able to find a couple more of the candy cane wreath forms. So I did get 2 more of those. I think I have a couple of these left over from last year, but I don't know. I just wanted to get a couple of more because I know that usually these go pretty quick. So I wanted to make sure I didn't run out. Okay, so I found this sign. It says Jingle All the Way. And it's like the other one that I hauled a couple of hauls ago. That's white and it says Let It Snow, I think. So this one says Jingle All the Way. And it's got the red sort of, I don't know, barnwood in the back. And then the words are this tin lettering. And it has no glitter, which I like. So anyway, I thought this was really nice, so I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next sign that I found I think is so cute. It says there's snow place like home, and it's got a little snowman on there. I think he's really cute. And this does have a little bit of glitter on it, so the whole snowman himself is glitter, and then the words are glitter. But I really like this, like the barn, like an old red barn kind of background. So anyway, I think he was really cute. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. And then they had another one that has Santa on it. And it says Happy Holidays, which I think is really cute. So I did go ahead and grab him. And this one is similar. The wood in the background is more of, you know, a natural wood color instead of the red painted color. But I really like it, and Santa is all done up in glitter. So really like this one. I found this other sign, which when I seen these, it gives me like snow globe vibes. I mean, doesn't this kind of remind you of a snow globe? I don't know. I think it was really pretty, though. I love the little snowman on here. It says, "Let it snow." I love how it's got, this looks like wood down here on the bottom, and then it looks like it's trimmed in wood. I just think it's really pretty. So I went ahead and grabbed this one. And then the last one, I think this is it, yeah. The last one that I picked up, same concept. It looks like, I don't know, to me it looks like a snow globe, but this one has Santa Claus on it, and it says "Ho Ho Ho" down here on the bottom. It does have, you know, glitter, but this one isn't, I don't know, it doesn't seem like it has as much glitter as the snowman one, but down here on the bottom, this is like, I don't know, it looks like a cherry wood color. I don't know, I think it's really pretty, and also the trim is like that cherry wood finish, so I think this one is really cute too. So anyway, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I wish that you would. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!